Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your cat trainer app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on. So when you keep going down here, click here on apps. So then it's going to take you to apps list here, and here you're looking here for cat trainer app, or just click here on search. So then here add cat trainer, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to disappear. Click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.